Hello and welcome back to Seminar Sessions, the series where we make car care easy. Today we're going to look at wheels and tyres and the best way to clean them safely and the accessories you need to do that. So in our range we have two wheel cleaners. We have our Hot Rims wheel and tyre cleaner, which is an alkaline based cleaner to make it safe to clean on your tyres, which is extreme clean, used as a traditional cleaner. You just spray onto a wet wheel. For us, the best wheel cleaner that we have is our Ultimate All Wheel Cleaner, which is a pH balanced gel formula. You spray this product onto a dry wheel and the gel will cling to the wheel whilst it's cleaning. Because Ultimate Wheel Cleaner is such a fantastic cleaner, it's not always essential for you to need to use an accessory. But if you like to use a wheel brush, then our Supreme brush is a fantastic option for you. We have a large and a medium size. There's no metal components in them, so you have a plastic shaft, adhesive, woolen head with a foam handle. So again, with our Ultimate All Wheel Cleaner, all you need to do is spray directly onto a dry wheel. Allow it to dwell for 2 to 3 minutes and then you can rinse away. So now the product's had time to dwell, you can, if you want to, agitate with one of the brushes. I'm going to use the medium brush for this. It's just dipped in some water. You can go around the faces and you can clean the backs of the barrels nice and easily, having no problems going in here between the calipers. And as I said, there's no metal components, so it's totally safe to use on all surfaces of the wheel. Once you've done this process, you can simply rinse away and move on to the next wheel. So with the Hot Rims wheel and tyre cleaner, we're now going to show you that cleaning ability for the tyres. But with this cleaner, the wheel does need to be wet. A top tip for you as well is to spray the wheel cleaner from the bottom up. This will reduce any streaking that a wheel cleaner can give you. And again, spray it onto the tyre all the way around, and straight away you can start to see that dirt dissolving away from the tyre area. Now, obviously we've cleaned the wheels, we would then go on normally to wash the car. Now the washing process is going to be the next video that comes along, but for the purpose of this video we're going to jump straight into tyre dressings, just so that it's all in one. So before we move on to tyre dressings, it's important to note that the tyres should be thoroughly dried. Tyre dressings are designed to bond to rubber. If you've got any surface that's above that, then it's just going to bond to grime or potentially wet, and that's where you get the majority of tyre sling from. So take an old microfiber towel and just dry that tyre thoroughly. So we have a number of tyre dressings within our range. I've gone for our Ultimate and our Endurance tyre gel. The reason why, we've got an aerosol, we've got a trigger spray, and we've got a hand applied product, all ranging in different finishes. With the Ultimate Tyre Shine, this is a nice long lasting high gloss product that's aerosol applied, so it's nice and quick. Endurance tyre gel is a bit more involved. You use an applicator pad, but it will give you a high lasting deep gloss on all of your tyres and a wet look finish. So as with everything with car care, it's personal preference. So if Dale was doing these videos, I'm sure he'd probably pick you. The Ultimate tyre dressing is his favourite. Mine's the Endurance Gloss. I just love it. It was one of the first products that I used for Meguiars, and this is nice and simple to apply. You can get an applicator pad, a tyre dressing applicator pad. Some people use a brush. You just need to get a small amount onto the pad, and like so, work it into the tyre. Now my suggestion would be to apply all 4 tyres using the product and then come back round. Don't apply any more product, but just then wipe over with the applicator pad. This is taking any excess off of the top of the tyre and again minimising tyre sling. Okay, so that's it for another session in the seminar series. Thank you for joining us for Wheels and Tyres. Just as a recap, what we've used today is our Hot Rims wheel and tyre cleaner, our Ultimate All Wheel Cleaner, our Supreme wheel brushes, and then our tyre dressings of choice for today were Ultimate Tyre Shine and Endurance Tyre Gel. Next up in this series is going to be how to safely wash your car. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you've got any questions, add them in the comments box below.